In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a form in Monday.com from scratch. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and open the project or board where you want this form to live. This board will hold all the responses that come in, so choose the one that matches the workflow you're building, like a requests board, an intake board, or a general project board. Once your board is open, look towards the top of the screen for the Forms option, or the area highlighted in this tutorial. Click that to open the Forms section for this board. Here, you'll see any existing forms, along with an option to create a new one. Go ahead and select New Form. This will start the process of building a new form that is directly connected to the columns on your board. When the form options appear, choose Start from Scratch. This gives you a blank, flexible form instead of using a template, which is great if you want full control over what your respondents see. After creating it, click on Edit Form to open the main form editor. This is where you'll spend most of your time adjusting content, layout, and design. Inside the editor, you'll see different areas you can click, often highlighted in this guide. Things like sections, text areas, and field lists. Begin by setting up your welcome page. Click on the Welcome Page section and update the title and description to clearly explain what the form is for and who should fill it out. This is your chance to set expectations and reduce confusion. Next, choose which fields to include. Click where the fields are listed and select the name column so that the form collects the respondent's name. You can repeat this action on other highlighted areas to show or hide additional fields from your board, depending on what information you actually need. When you're happy with the fields, scroll to the bottom and locate the Submit button. Click on it to adjust its label and confirm it's visible and easy to understand. After the structure is set, move on to the design. Click on Design to open the Visual Customization panel. Here you can select a color theme, then click again to confirm or switch themes until you find something that matches your brand. You can also adjust the background, choosing a solid color, gradient, or image depending on the options available to you. Then, open the logo and header area to upload your logo and tweak the header so the form feels consistent with your organization's look and feel. Finally, switch to the Settings section. Click Settings, then Edit to review important options like form privacy, response behavior, and what happens after someone submits the form. This is where you ensure the form works the way you expect before sharing it. Once everything looks right, you're ready to save and start using your new Monday.com form.